Hello guys, and you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 legit apps you all need to have on your mobile device if you actually want to make money online. So yeah, without wasting much more time, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you've seen my face for the very first time, kindly subscribe as I do upload lovely content like you're about to actually see right now in today's video. I upload lovely content on money making online, business ideas, business strategies, and so many other videos you definitely don't want to miss. So without wasting much more time, let me show you guys those major apps. Okay guys, so the number one on the list here is Toloka. Toloka is actually a site or an app as well that you can actually make money online by completing several tasks. So basically Toloka was created because AI technology, there's some task AI robots and the rest machine technology can't actually complete. There's some tasks like that that only we humans can actually complete more precisely and accurately. For example, we have so many stores and so many industries online, and then they put their working hours from maybe 10 to like 5 p.m. But then a computer cannot go to those organizations to confirm if what they're actually putting online is actually legit. So but you yourself as a human, you can actually go there and confirm if yes, this is actually true. So this is just an example of the use of Toloka. With the help of Toloka, you're actually helping companies to confirm some things, or you're helping them complete some tasks, and then you're being paid for these things. As you can see over here, you can use Toloka to earn money on the internet by performing simple tasks that your computer can't cope with. Very important. You mostly need to analyze and evaluate various types of content. So basically, Toloka, you're actually using Toloka to complete tasks that computers can actually cope with. And some examples of these tasks, as you can see here, is side-by-side comparison of pictures. Okay, you're trying to, you're helping people to confirm, okay, is this picture actually corresponding with this text? Okay, is this a cow? If it's a cow, this picture should actually be with the text cow. Okay, and then you have evaluation of web page, search query. You're helping to ensure that what people are searching for, they actually getting the results. That deals with search engine and the rest. And this is the fields of it, the one I explained earlier on, where you are going in person as a mystery shopper to confirm if what stores and organization puts online are actually correct. And then we have search for information online. And also this is just a brief description of how you can actually get started. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is just to sign in, create an account, and then you start completing this task and you start earning money. And then we also have this Toloka on our mobile devices. I'm just showing you guys because of the video on my system. So you just need to download it by going to your Play Store, App Store, search for Toloka, and then you download it, you install, create your account, and start completing tasks to make money. And then moving on to the next on the list is Timebucks. So Timebucks is under app where you can actually get paid by completing several tasks online. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys, once again, I'm showing you guys this on my system, but these apps are actually available on your mobile devices, so you just need to install them and start. I'm just using my system to show you guys a clearer view of these apps. Okay, so now Timebox is actually under website or app where you can actually make money by doing several tasks, some of which includes by posting on Facebook. You're helping people promote their stuff on Facebook and then you're being paid, or by viewing funny slideshows or just watching funny slideshows, by playing certain games, installing apps, completing tasks, answer surveys. This is kind of linked to CPA in a way. Okay, so this is basically what you're doing. And then you have some daily bonuses, a way you can actually earn quickly. They have their referral program as well. And then as you can see, all you just need to do is to sign up and then you start completing some of these tasks. And the more you complete these tasks, the more you're being paid as well. So me logging into my own account, as you can see guys, this is how it looks like. So you have your referral link here. If you want to refer someone, probably you've downloaded it or you just want to use your system, as I'm using my system as well. So you just want to copy this link, send it to your friend. Immediately they download it, you're being paid certain amount of money, okay, for a referral bonus. And then as you can see over here, these are the certain tasks you can actually complete in a day. You can see complete 3 push leaks, complete 3 slideshows, complete 2 games. So immediately you want to start and you just want to click on any of these and then you complete the task and you make your money. Okay, now moving on to the third on the list, sagapoll website or the app. Okay, so basically all you want to do as well is to use your mobile device to install this
Unfortunately, this is only available to Android users and not iOS users. Okay, so basically, all you're doing with sagapoll is you're completing surveys and you're being paid for all these. Okay, probably some businesses, drop out questions on how to improve their business or process and the rest, and then you help them complete surveys, their questions and the rest, and you're being paid for this completion. So that's basically how sagapoll works. So all you need to do is, as an Android user, you want to go to your Play Store, as you can see over here, search for sagapoll, and then you install, you create your account, you register, and then start completing surveys and you start earning your money. And now moving on to the fourth on the list, we have the Honeygain. So basically, this is majorly used for PC desktop devices. Okay, I wouldn't advise you guys to use this on a mobile device. It is better used on a system. Okay, but it doesn't still mean, basically what this Honeygain does is, we have so many industries where they upload millions of products online at once, and then due to this fact that they are uploading so many things at once, they need a stronger internet. And we all know that our internet to vary at times, it's not really direct. Okay, so now they want you to help them use your mobile device, support them with your internet, and then they are using part of your internet to upload some things randomly online just to stabilize their internet. So basically what you're doing is you're creating an account, either you're downloading on Windows, okay, or like I said, we don't use this on a mobile device, better used on a PC or a desktop or a tablet, better still. Okay, so then you connect your phone to the Honeygain, and then they make use of your internet, and then you're being paid for this. You can even earn as much as $60 in a month with this Honeygain. Okay, so that's basically how Honeygain works. You're making use of your internet through your device, either your PC, tablet, whichever, and then you're being paid for this. So that's basically how it works. And the final website or app I have for this list is sidegig. Sidegig is as well another platform where you actually make money online by completing various tasks. So basically, all you're doing is you're completing a social media task, probably Facebook, Instagram, whichever. You follow some people you like and the rest. And is, as you can see over here, it is to be noted that all amounts stated are in Naira currency. So this is basically for Nigerians. So you just want to complete. The more you complete, the more the amount of money you make. So as you can see over here, this is 3, this is 2 Naira, 2 Naira, 4 Naira, and the rest. Okay, so you just basically click on this task, you complete, and you're being paid at the end of the day. And as well, you can also refer your friends, as you can see over here, earn monthly by referring your friends and family to join sidegig community. So you can also earn by referrals and the rest. So guys, that's basically how you can actually make money online with sidegig. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of today's video. Just a summary. So you can earn money online through the use of Toloka. You can also earn through sagapoll. You can also earn through Honeygains. You can also earn through Timebook. And lastly, sidegig guys. So if you surely enjoyed this video and learned a lot from this video and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, as I'm sure you definitely don't want to miss out on my upcoming videos concerning money making online. And I'll see you guys in my next video.